Hi everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to make this gorgeous paper quilling mixed media slimline greeting card for birthday. And I have used lots of different techniques to make the background, to add textures, layers, everything. So I will share everything in step-by-step procedure in detail methods. So let's get started. Here I am taking white cardstock which measures 9 by 19 centimeters and using this English script stencil I am going to add some texture paste on this to create the script texture on cardstock. So I am randomly doing it on both the corners of the cardstock. I am not covering it completely. You can use any texture paste of your choice. Just take little bit of paste on your palette knife and then apply it wherever you want. So this is done, allow it to dry. It's completely dried. Now I'm just adding some water spray on top of this, and then I'm going to apply green color spray and brown color spray on this. If you don't have these kind of sprays, you can also use poster colors or watercolors. Then I'm just spreading it evenly by adding little more water. And then in few parts I'm just applying little bit of black poster color just to darken the base little bit more. Like this, allow it to dry completely, and it's dried. Now I have this beautiful watch stamp, so I'm just stamping this clock here and there for a little vintage look. You can use any kind of vintage stamp which you have. You can add postcard stamp or any post stamps or butterflies or anything. Then I'm just adding some splashes of black color here and there. Similarly, I will add white and gold splashes. Now using gold metallic wax, I'm just applying it on textured portion using my fingers to highlight the texture part little more. Like this, it's looking very nice and shiny. Then I'm taking here light off-white color card base which measures 20 by 20 centimeters and one gold mirror cardstock which measures 9.5 by 19.5 centimeters. So I'm just adhering this gold mirror cardstock on my base. and then sticking my mixed media card base on top of this. So this is done. Now here in one corner I am just adding some bunch of ribbons. Here I am taking light green and white color organza ribbon. You can also use satin ribbons. So adding some pieces in the bottom and some loops on the top. Then I have this bunch of jute threads. So I'm applying it directly in the center, and on top of this I am adding this scallop circle. So on backside of scallop circle paper I have already added one piece of cardboard to give it little dimension. You can also use double-sided foam tape. And then I am adding one circle paper on this, on which I have already added green and brown color sprays. Then here I am taking one gold glitter paper and just cutting the ends of the paper like this in V shape, then dividing in two parts, and I already have one more little broader bow. So I am just connecting these on top of the scallop and in the bottom of the scallop. And this is done. Then I am starting with making my quilling flowers. For my first flower I am taking 1/4 strip of yellow color 3mm and making one teardrop shape. Then I am taking one more 1/4 strip of yellow color 3mm strip and making again a teardrop shape. Joining both the teardrops together, and I'm wrapping this whole petal using dark yellow strip. Just cut the excess strip, secure the end, and in total we need 7 petals to make one flower. So I'm just joining all the petals together. Now for the center of the flower I am taking half strip of off-white color 3mm and making one dome shape. Add glue inside the dome and stick it exactly in the center of the flower like this. So in the same way I have already prepared one more yellow flower and one orange flower with the same procedure. So this is done. Now for the small flower I am taking half strip of white color 3mm and making one tight teardrop shape. I am joining total 4 petals together. Then taking yellow color marker and just doing little shading from the center towards the outer side of the petal for all 4 sides. And in the center I am adding orange color half cut pearl. So we need 4 these type of flowers. Now to make the leaf, I am taking half strip of light green color 3 mm and making one bended leaf shape. And I'm joining 2 petals together to make one leaf. So in total we need 4 these kind of leaves. And also I have prepared some scrolls using dark green strips and some leaf cutouts. Now I am just decorating my card base using these leaf cutouts, handmade flowers, quilling leaves and scrolls. And then I'm adding sentiment, surprise, happy birthday. And randomly adding some drops here and there. This is by Nuvo in shade of peach color. You can also decorate this with some sequences if you don't have Nuvo drops or any kind of drop. Itsy Bitsy also have lots of shades and these kind of pearl drops. You can also use that. And this is done. So the beautiful mixed media slimline quilled decoration happy birthday card is ready. You can write the message inside the card. And that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos and please click on bell icon for the latest updates. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.